Moneyview personal loan discount code, instant approval. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we are talking about something exciting for anyone needing a personal loan. Unlocking an instant discount on Moneyview's processing fee. Who gets the discount? Exclusive offer for new users. The key to this special offer is being a first-time Moneyview user. If you haven't signed up yet, you are in luck. You'll be eligible for a guaranteed discount on the processing fee when you apply for your personal loan. But there's a catch. Follow Moneyview's guidelines. There's always a catch, right? Well, in this case, it's not really a catch, but more of a step you need to take. To secure your discount, you need to follow Moneyview's recommended guidelines. Don't worry, it's nothing complicated. The secret's in the referral link. Here's where things get interesting. Just having the promo code isn't enough. You need to use a specific referral link before applying for your loan with the code. This link ensures you are eligible for the discount. We'll make things easy for you. We've included the Moneyview referral link right here in the video description below. Don't miss it. Why the referral link matters. Unlocking the discount power. So, why is the referral link so important? It essentially unlocks the power of the discount code. If you download the app directly and then try to use the code, it might not work. Referral codes don't expire. Speaking of codes, you might be wondering if Moneyview referral codes expire. The good news is they don't. So, no need to worry about checking for an expiration date. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's break down exactly what you need to do. 1. Click the Moneyview referral link in the video description below. This is crucial. 2. Download the Moneyview app using the link. 3. Go through the sign-up process and complete your application. 4. During the application, you'll be prompted to enter the promo code. We'll show you the code at the end of the video. 5. Follow Moneyview's instructions throughout the process. Get the code and save. By following these steps, you'll be maximizing your chances of securing that processing fee discount. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the Moneyview personal loan processing fee discount code is 9WOP8YF6 Remember, you can only access this code by clicking the referral link in the description below. Wrapping up, there you have it. With the right steps and the right code, you can save money on your Moneyview personal loan. For a more detailed walkthrough, be sure to watch the entire video. We cover everything in detail to ensure you don't miss any crucial information. If you're considering a personal loan, definitely check out Moneyview and see if you qualify. Don't forget to use our referral link and the discount code for potential savings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more money saving tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. See you next time.